Hi all, good morning, and I'm just adding everyone. And let me also, I think, forgot to give the reminder today. Just admitting people who are there in the queue. Mhm. So I think I would thank everyone for attending the session today. Today being 14th February, which is known as Valentine's Day, and on this day, you guys are away from the family for 1.5 hour and trying to attend this particular session on weekly analysis. So thank you everyone for attending this today. Okay, and let me share one secret. 14th February is also anniversary date of Sway Charts. Okay, so Sway Charts completes today its third year. Okay, and in the same office, we started 3 years back, and we have now completed 3 years today. And there is going to be some offers on the Valentine's Day. Okay, so we'll be giving those offers in some time. Okay, so it's a third anniversary and we will have an offer for 3 days. So what that offer is, okay, we'll wait. Okay, so let's see how we have gone through. Thank you, Rajesh. Good morning, Joel. Good morning, Sarav sir. So now let's see. So it's thanks to all of you because is the voice clear? Otherwise, I think Sarav sir is having some issue with the voice. So is the sound clear? Can anybody? Yeah, okay. So Saraf sir, your laptop needs to be checked. So we are okay with the sound it seems. Okay, I'm just downloading the data. It should be done in 2 minutes. Okay, and I'm also thankful for all the students because uh, people who know me, they know me that I'm not good at marketing or to get people out for us, right? So mainly it's you all who have helped us to be successful in this 3 years, and uh, it's good that we have now reached almost 1000 students as well in this 3 years. So it's a good progress, and I think we owe a good bit of that to all of you, all of our students, right? Because of you only we have been able to reach this heights, right?
Sir,
So,
sir, we
huh?
are here for a very, very long association.
Yes, sir, we are there for that. So that is there, and that is the reason why I like the spirit of especially you and Saraf sir, because the way you both are passionate about this, the learning that you do, you learn from your mistakes, and it's absolutely amazing because at your age, people have just given up their life and they are just waiting for something to happen. Okay, but at this age, if you are so active in the market and you understand the market, you guide people, it's absolutely wonderful, right? And that is the reason I keep giving your and Saraf sir example everywhere. Amar sir, it's basically I would say that it's your blessings, and that's why I keep saying to Saraf sir that eh, whatever you think I am, but I am only here because of your blessings. Because you are at the age of almost he's elder even to my father. My father age, if today he was alive, would be less than him. So that's why I am always obliged to have you guys in the Sweja students group, and it's really great. And this 3 years, I know I must have taken your name almost 100 times plus, because
Thank you, sir. Thank you. But
it's
but
the
I
way
but
you
I
worked.
but I also keep on repeating, sir. I never knew what is candle 1.5 years back, except the lighting candle in Diwali.
Thank you, sir. Okay, so let's see. So I'll go to the page now, weekly analysis. Okay, so we had few stocks last week, but I think the short trades didn't triggered, and I don't know whether they will literally go to shorts this week also or not. So let's see where we are with respect to the indices as well. So let's start with it. So yes, we saw 15,200 been breached twice, and now we are waiting for maybe this level to be touched. This has not come at all in this week, so we never needed support, and 15,000 once broken was acting as a very good support. So we have not gone below 15,000 in this week. Bank Nifty 36,000 is becoming now a very good level for it, because see, the day it breaks 36,000, by the end of the day it tries to come back. So there is something which it is telling us very clearly that we are not here to go down. Okay, so that is where again the things are getting very very clear that we are still looking forward for a good run on the upside. Nifty, IT, FMCG, auto, all are right now sideways, and that is basically we have reached one level so fast that now see मैंने अपना एक ट्रेनिंग में बोला भी था when we were studying about trend lines and the price movement, right? So if there is a steep trend line, that does not mean that it is after the steep trend line is broken you expect a steep fall or a rise. Okay, so after the steep trend line there is going to be a time where the price and time needs to catch up. See, no one had expected that the market will zoom in such a way that it will cross the new highs as well as they will go far beyond that. Look at Bank Nifty, 32,600 was not being crossed, and then when it crosses it goes zoom towards almost 37,000, right? So now we are almost at 36,600 as the high, and at those levels the market needs a breather. And if you look at the daily charts, I know Sandeep was speaking about there are multiple dojis, but let us now analyze those things as well. So let's start with today's session and let's see how we can think on markets. So I might have this chart. So this is the top bottom page. Let me go to my normal pages. So I'll go to first Nifty and Bank Nifty itself. Okay, I'll go to first Nifty and then type here. So if you look at Nifty, we have got multiple sideways candle. Okay, so these are multiple sideways candle on daily at gap support. Okay, look at this. This gap between this candle, this doji and this candle here has still been maintained. Okay, so we do have a good gap support here, and this has not been broken. So unless and until you see a breakdown on say 14,800 or 14,900, I'm not going to look out for more bearishness in the market. Second thing is this, if you look from the point of view of volume, this is the highest volume, and this is that candle. So if this is the volume of entry of the people and they have entered throughout the day, so till 14,400, if I'm just making entry, do you think this entry is there for just 600, 800 points? See, these are the guys who knew what the market was going to do. They were aware of it, and I had explained you this also that this was a last engulfing. उसका भी volume देखो, last engulfing का volume और ये volume. This both signifies that this is the start of a fresh rally and a fresh trend in the market. Now it is trying to take a breather because if you look at Bank Nifty, the RSI on daily and every time frame had been almost around 80, 85. So उसको breather भी चाहिए. Okay, it needs somewhere some movement on the downside, and now this has become the highest point on this. So a breakout above this will be like a fresh upside in the market. You might see, my view is, see this, and then the breakout can result into this. So this is what you can expect in the market, 16,500. Okay, so maybe it may be coming in sometime, or maybe I don't know. मैं सुन बोलता हूँ तो एक दिन में मार देता है. मैं सुन नहीं बोलने वाला हूँ अभी, नहीं तो मेरे को भी एंट्री नहीं मिलता. Okay, so this is where we are citing that this may be coming up. Okay, let's see on weekly how we are framed. So this volumes are really good, and see after that there has been some volumes over here, which means it's still in place. They are not still giving up. And और एक चीज मैं जो बोलता हूँ ना, I think so buy about OG, yes, buy about 15,300. After that, the stop is directly going to almost on a new high. Okay, so it's not where there is an end in the market. It's still going on. And one more thing is, see people who are looking, and I think mainly Sandeep, since he's here, I can take his name as well, and I know he will not mind. Okay, who are looking at the FIIs and DIIs sell and buy figures? They are misleading. Okay, so Sandeep, for your example itself, see before the budget till Friday, FIIs were just sellers, right? But the figures which you are looking into, okay, they don't tell whether they have withdrawn the money from the market. Okay, it's called portfolio churning as well. So what they were into before the market, before the budget, now they have churned their portfolio into the financial side. Okay, so it's what you need to understand is the buy and sell figures which you are actually looking into. They make no sense because they don't give you a clear indication about what the market is doing or what the FIIs are doing. Unless and until some FIIs comes and tells you that I am going to do this. So those figures are useless to be seen in the market. Okay, and that is the reason why at Swaycharts, I don't think in last 3 years we have ever talked about buy and sell of any FIIs, DIIs or anything. I am only interested in this volume here, and see this weekly volume also looks good, and it is a start of a fresh rally after this fall out here. You can clearly see that this volume exceeds all the other volume, and we are now looking towards much more higher rolls out here. Now this is a weekly uh, gap up. Okay, we just don't want a gap down at around 14,900 tomorrow, because if there is a gap down with a big 200 points fall, okay, then we might see a island reversal here, which might bring it back to this. Okay, but I doubt we will have that type of fall tomorrow morning, and it has to be a weekly gap down, so you need a gap down on Monday itself. Okay, so that is where you need to be cautious now. Second thing is about if you look at this candle high. Okay, so this candle and this candle right now, we can say there is some 6 bar bearish divergence setup, but needs confirmation, and this confirmation will be needed on a break of a trend line. So now if you go to see a break of a trend line, so this is where it confirms. So unless 14,000 breaks, okay, you will not see uh, a reversal in the market. So this is going to be the situation now in the market. Okay, so this is the level where you need to be cautious. So now the key support becomes for this coming week, it will be around 14,200 or 14,185. Okay, so that is where this week comes to. And let's see on monthly it has taken. See, weekly and monthly has taken first 60 support, and that is from where it is started. island reversal for Nifty, it can bring it down. So मैं आपको एग्जांपल भी दिखाऊंगा जो मैंने बैंक निफ्टी पे बोला था. There is an island reversal, and from there after the gap up on Monday on the budget day, it just went one sided. So that is island reversal. So see, this is the breakout point, and from this I have never seen this coming back. And मैंने ये budget day के पहले भी बोला था that 12,500 I don't think so it will ever come. Okay, so now at least not in this particular year, I am not thinking that we might see 12,500 anytime. Even though if it comes, we might see, a good support at that level, because that is the previous thing. And see, main thing is this is almost been achieved now. If you look at this, above this, okay, ये भी मेरे ख्याल से 16,500 की तरफ लेके जाता है. See, this is again that same level. So monthly also we are looking towards that. It's a beautiful band walk. And have you ever seen a band walk on an indices? This was the year where it did it, and it did it for almost 5 to 6 months. So अभी अगर ये 5-6 महीने के लिए बैंड वॉक करेगा तो सोचो कहाँ तक जा सकता है. Right, so that is where it is. So we don't have any bearishness on monthly. We don't have any bearishness on daily. The only place where we have some bearishness is weekly, which is a 6 bar bearish divergence. But we need to see whether it confirms or not. Okay, so let's write down on Nifty what we have. Again, it's a diamond index, daily doji at all-time high, and it's a series of dojis. Okay, daily series of dojis. Okay, at all-time high in the band of 14,900 to 15 to 80. Okay, so we need a breakout above this band or below this band. Okay, weekly now 5 bar में से 6 bar हो गया. Okay, setup is still there. Okay, now let's see retracement, bounce from 25%, so it is looking good bounce from this. Okay, and monthly above last month shooting star. So this is what it is. So now I'm not going to mention this. I'll say monthly band walk. Okay, which sounds more positive. Okay, so that is where we are looking into. Okay, so this is where it is now. This level is acting as both support right now. Okay, so if you look at it, we are around 15,161, and this level 14,900 is going to act as a support. So I'm going to have this change to 14,900, 14,700, and maybe 14,350 here now. Okay, this is still acting as resistance because 14,200 के ऊपर में क्लोज अब तक आया नहीं है. अगर डेली बेसिस पे हम देखेंगे तो 14,200 पे क्लोज एक भी आया नहीं है. 184 का क्लोज है बस. Okay, so 14,200 is still acting as resistance to us. Okay, this can be removed right now. Okay, so we'll have only 2 levels on this right now. I'm not going to have the third level because it's going to be very high. Okay, it's somewhere around 5950. Okay, so these are again the levels as per Fibonacci. So I'm not putting those levels, but okay, we have a three things. The weekly bearish levels may not be effective. Yeah, it depends, Saraf sir. So it might see everything depends on confirmation, right? So if weekly has got a bearish divergence and it confirms, then see there are levels over years. 14,780 is one level, then 14,500 is another level, and then we also have 14,250. So there are various supports also on this. So ये कंफर्मेशन तो 14,200 के नीचे होने वाला है. तब तक तो हमारे पास बहुत सारे सपोर्ट लेवल है. Right, so that is one thing. Now let's go to Bank Nifty. So let's go to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has got weekly doji at almost at an all-time high. So Bank Nifty itself is a diamond index now. Okay, and even if you look at this, see even this has got a daily and you see does not have any divergence or anything. Okay, so it's also been protected at a particular level. So अगर आप देखोगे तो 35 300 35 500 के नीचे इसको जाने नहीं दिया है. And again if you look at this, wait for a breakout. Okay, and I think we are already long now on top bottom as well. Okay, so there can be a similar setup on this as well. अगर ये भी भागा तो कितना भागेगा देख लो आप. तो इसके लिए मैंने बोला था कि ये साल शॉर्ट मत करना गलती से भी. शॉर्ट को आड़े हाथ आ गए ना आप तो ये देखो इसका तो मैं 40,000 लास्ट टाइम भी बोला था. इनफैक्ट आई हैड सेड 50,000 आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग बाय द ईयर एंड. Okay, so it's not something which I'm just speaking. I'm just showing you also on the charts the possible levels right now. Okay, so this is one of the level on this Bank Nifty. Okay, it's a doji, so the doji high needs to be crossed. And अगर आप देखोगे ना तो ये 36,000 है, 36,600 है और ये 36,600 के आसपास का ही लेवल है. So we need to cross now 36,600. Once we cross that, this will start booming again. Okay, so that is where it is, and again see hammer at 60, and then there is a pro gap candle and it goes up in uni direction. Okay, so again see my view on 31,700 was this. Why I had said on budget day 31,700 cross करेगा तो ये भागेगा. ये 31,700 this is the high of hammer high. अभी सबने ये समझा था, right? Everyone knows how to trade a hammer. And वो hammer का high cross करते ही it went up in any one direction. And my actual target was 33,000 and उसके ऊपर में चला गया. Bollinger Band at that day was 35 के आसपास. अभी वो तो Bollinger Band भी देखो 36,800 के आसपास में है, right? So now you can expect that levels also coming up in few days. Okay. So see, monthly looks absolutely wonderful. No issues here. And look at this. Doji high on monthly been crossed. Okay, and look at the volume which it is making. This is still half of the month done. And we are still there at almost the volumes near to the last 2 months. Okay, so this really makes good sense. Now understand one more thing. मैंने ये दो तीन बार भी बोला था कि I am reading candles along with volumes, and I'm not only looking at the other things in the thing. I'm looking very simple things right now. Look at these two candles and look at the volumes here in consistency. Okay, so these are the volumes been built here. Okay, plus ये जो हरामी था ना वो हरामी का भी अगर आप वॉल्यूम देखोगे ना, सी ये वॉल्यूम्स भी सब काफ़ी अच्छा वॉल्यूम्स था. तभी मैंने बहुत पहले भी बोला था दैट द थिंग्स हैव रिवर्स्ड इन द मार्केट. Okay, so looking at volumes, looking at RSI taking first bullish range shift here, right? It was very clear that the markets were soaring. Now at this height, see Nifty ने ये किया है, बैंक निफ्टी भी वही करेगा. निफ्टी इस इसको ऑल टाइम प्रीवियस ऑल टाइम हाई को तोड़ने के बाद कभी भी वापस मुड़ के नहीं आया वहां तक. I didn't saw it taking support at all at 12,500. Once it was broken, it went unidirectional about 13,000, and about 13,000 once sided it went to 14,000, right? And it finally took support when it was falling from I think 14,300 400 से एक बार 13,700 के आसपास. But it never came down till 12,000 at all or 12,500. In fact, 13,000 भी break नहीं किया था. 13,100 was the final support it took. So now understand that this is the market placement here, and now we have gone beyond this. So ये 32 33,000 तक भी मुड़ के वापस नहीं आने वाला है. Okay, so this along with this will keep soaring is what I am looking into. ओके तो ये वापस नीचे नहीं आने वाला है. नीचे आया तो इट इज गोइंग टू बी मच मोर हेल्दियर फॉर अस टू क्रॉस दिस अगेन. बट इफ इट डज नॉट कम इट्स गोइंग टू कीप सोरिंग सोरिंग एंड सोरिंग. इसके लिए मैंने उस दिन ऐसे ही हंसी हंसी में डाल दिया था चलो बुल ऊपर तो चढ़ गया है. ओके उसको उतारना क्यों चाहते हो, जितना जाता है जाने दो. सेकेंड थिंग, बुल हमेशा झम मारेगा ऊपर से, वो जूम करके गिरता है. ओके वो तो हम लोग ने कोरोना के टाइम पे भी देख लिया. गिरावट इज ऑलवेज सी फास्ट एंड फ्यूरियस. ओके एंड सी दिस इज दैट आइलैंड रिवर्सल जो मैंने बताया था. सो गैप डाउन, गैप अप, okay, becomes an island reversal, and this was my first target for that. it went quite beyond that, right? So now we are looking forward for this as a support 35,400. So let's write down this. The Bank Nifty is a diamond index. Again, daily series of dojis is what you have to write at all-time high. Okay, weekly, I don't think so. It's a bullseye, it's a doji as well. So weekly doji and resisting upper band and monthly above 60. Okay, so this looks good on monthly as well. So it is also at upper band resistance on monthly. अगर ये बैंड वॉक चालू किया ना ये इंडेक्स ने तो 41,000 का आंकड़ा जल्दी दिख जाएगा. And see, it is already, see, monthly is just 65. ओके डेली मेरे ख्याल से काफी ऊपर कूदा था जब ये इधर जा रहा था तभी अराउंड 74 76 का आरएसआई पहुंच गया था. Okay, so that's why it has now got a breather. It is coming down to 74, and even see weekly is 76. So there is still steam 80 85 तक जा सकता है ये. Okay, and monthly to still at 65. So quite a steam, and it had got already got some time pass out here. So we already have some consolidation at this level. If this is breaker on the upside, okay, so we might see moving upside more than this. Okay, अगर आप daily basis पे अगर इसको देखते हो तो see this is 37,800. तो इसको तो कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है डेली बैंड वॉक को तो बहुत दूर है वो. ओके सो दिस इज स्टिल अप्रोचिंग फॉर अस. So now resistances, okay, I still mentioned 36, 300 के ऊपर बन नहीं आ रहा है, 36,660 है, and 37,000 is what I mentioned, another round number. ये बहुत दूर का बात है. We have 35, 700 जो लास्ट वीक खेला था, then 37, 300 जो उसके पहले खेला था. ये भाई 37 नहीं 35 तो फ्यूचर देख रहा है ऐसा लग रहा है. And then it is 34,950. There can be, yes, flag breakout सब में है actually दोनों में है. So you can have them either way, right? So there is still that's why I'm saying it's still steam in both of them. Okay, now let's go to the other indices. Acha, someone had requested for metal as well, so we'll see today metal as well. Okay, don't worry. मेटल इंडाइसेस आई थिंक विजय ने बोला था, डॉक्टर विजय ने या किसी ने तो बोला था. तो विल सी मेटल इंडाइस आल्सो. हाँ देखो विजय ने हाथ भी रेज किया. सी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ऑन डेली इज रेजिस्टिंग 60 एंड इट सेज डोजीज हियर. So there can be some breakout here on it. This is taken 60 support and rising, and there is nothing here. No bearish divergence, nothing. So still steam to make a new high on this index on weekly. मंथली तो जाने ही दो. 81 का आरएसआई कहाँ जाएगा कहाँ पहुंचेगा मालूम नहीं. सो ये क्रॉस करना है उसको. शूटिंग स्टार का हाई क्रॉस किया तो इट बिकम्स अ मोमेंटम ट्रेडर. सो दिस इज आल्सो सी दिस इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ बैंड वॉक. okay, it's a good band walk which this particular indices has been doing. So ये band walk अगर बैंक निफ्टी ने किया तो सोचो कहाँ पहुंचेगा. Okay, so that is what you need to now watch out for. So this in IT is looking good. Only thing is it is having a daily resistance at 60. If it crosses this, it will be golden sector. Currently, it is not a golden sector because it's been resisted at 60 on daily. So Nifty IT daily resisting 20 MA था. अभी वहां से ऊपर निकल आया ये बट्टा. Okay, see it was resisting here last week. Now it is gone beyond it, and it's around, we might see it coming around 26,855. So it might cross 60. But let's say at gap support था, gap support ने अपना काम कर लिया है, and daily at 60 resistance, weekly bullish arami at gap support and above 60. तो ये this worked well for it. हाँ हाँ we'll see don't worry सर आपको मैं कभी ना बोल सकता हूँ क्या I will never say no to you don't worry okay so this is where we are weekly bullish हरामी अभी weekly bullish हरामी से और ऊपर आ गया ये देखो हरामी high has been crossed which is giving a signal that it is still has got steam to go higher so but it has been resisting at this level okay तो ये level अगर cross कर लिया ना इसने ये black candle का high then it will go higher then it will come back here but इसमें थोड़ा गड़बड़ होने वाला है because this RSI was 88 और अभी ये थोड़ा काफी नीचे है तो अगर ये ऊपर भी आता है ना जल्दी then it can have a bearish setup but I am still looking forward for this to go sideways for some time before it takes the other route so ये थोड़ा sideways जाना जरूरी है okay so it will nullify this effect and might go up and this is still looking good अरे मंथली RSI is 81 के ऊपर यार तो थोड़ा तो इसको हक बनता है कि आराम करने के लिए see it has gone one sided so now let's see what it does here okay so monthly continuous band हो गए तो अलग ही खोपड़ी है okay weekly above हरामी ओए हरामी का स्पेलिंग गलत डाल दिया हमने weekly above हरामी and resisting at 26,800 levels okay so इसके ऊपर में जाना चाहिए वो okay so this level 26,800 के ऊपर में अगर जाता है okay we will see it making again a new high okay so that is where it is now let's go to the other sector so now let's go to क्या आता है अच्छा रियलिटी किसने डाला था ये टाइम आई थिंक कौशिक भाई ने डाला था कौशिक भाई वीकली इसी ये थोड़ा वीकली में it has got bearish divergence so be careful ओके बट वो सब कंफर्म होना चाहिए वही बात है ये सब निफ्टी की तरह ही दिख रहा है देखो ये सपोर्ट पे खड़ा है इधर प्रीवियस हाई के सपोर्ट पे ओके सो दिस इज आल्सो लुकिंग गुड निफ्टी रियलिटी ये तो अभी भी चालू हुआ लगता है इंडेक्स 350 का तो प्राइस है डीएलएफ से कम इसका प्राइस है ऐसा कैसे डीएलएफ इसको क्रॉस कर देगा अभी तो आई लुक एट दिस इंडेक्स कौशिक भाई मानना पड़ेगा यू हैव गॉट अ गुड थिंग लुक एट दिस अ ब्यूटीफुल कप इन मेकिंग यार ब्रेकआउट अबाउ दिस मतलब ये 380 के ऊपर जाएगा तो रियलिटी स्टॉक्स विल जस्ट गो हायर एंड लुक एट दिस ब्रेकआउट अबाउट आरएसआई एंड इट इज टेक अरे 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 सॉरी okay see this is the first 60 support so there was a shooting star that shooting star was at 60 support see this 59.57 is the RSI अरे ये कमाल करेगा रियलिटी स्टॉक्स विल डू इफ दे गो दिस इंडेक्स इफ गोज अबाउट 380 you will see a good momentum in this stocks also this will reach 540 in no time then ये यहाँ तक पहुंचने को टाइम नहीं लगाएगा the first target will be this so this is also looking good see it's a beautiful rounding और राउंडिंग के बाद अब ये ब्रेकआउट इसके ऊपर में दे सकता है अगर ये दिया तो ये भी रियलिटी स्टॉक्स विल गो so I just put a note somewhere for myself uh, 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 so guys stock ideas वालों को मैं इक्विटी स्टॉक्स दूंगा ओके आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गो इनटू फ्यूचर्स नहीं उसका नहीं है अल्ट्रा केम इज पार्ट ऑफ इंफ्रा एंड नॉट ऑफ दिस इंफ्रा रियलिटी में अल्ट्रा केम नहीं है रियलिटी में डीएलएफ और वो सब है हाँ अच्छा सिंस लॉन्ग टाइम रियलिटी सेक्टर इनिशिएटेड पोजीशन इन डीएलएफ अराउंड दैट इज गुड ओके सो आई थिंक दिस इज वन मोर सेक्टर वी जस्ट सॉ टुडे okay now let's go to infra जो हम लोग every time देखते हैं see infra has already made a new high see this is the cup I'm talking about on monthly and now see this has gone beyond that look at the power of this first 60 support Okay, bullish range shift on monthly is very powerful, by the way. उसको ऐसा छोटा मत गिनो, ये मंथली रेंज शिफ्ट अपना 15 मिनट वाला नहीं है. ओके, 15 मिनट और 5 मिनट ना चाइनीज प्रोडक्ट है, चला तो रात तक नहीं तो शाम तक, वैसा चीज नहीं है, ये बड़ा चीज है. See, this is again looking good on weekly breakout, and see it's about this, and now it's almost resisting upper band, but let's see, because यहाँ पे भी see there is some bearish divergence setup, but we need to watch out for confirmation. ये इतना बड़ा पिलर बना के बैठा है ना, इसको तोड़ने के लिए it will need time. So confirmation आने तक आते हुए तो मेरे ख्याल से दूसरा रैली चालू हो जाएगा. And see, this again has been bouncing. See, this sector also is like similar to Nifty. Previous all time high break किया बजट के बाद, उसके बाद देखो मुड़ के वापस नहीं आया. ये 39.80 तक मुड़ के नहीं आ रहा है वापस. So again, if it comes, it's going to be a very good bounce back. Plus, I can see a 3 bar PRD setup in this. 68, 66. Yes, there is a 3 bar PRD setup. No doubt, not a bigger this thing, but it looks good. Yeah, in infra, many stocks are resisting, but there is one stock which I have as favorite, or my favoritism was Ultracam. Mera first target, I think we have started buying it since 3200, and my first target was 4000, then 4400, and then it has just kept going. And I'll show you why that was when we will go to stocks. Okay, and right now it is above 6300. So infra also looks good. Now let's go beyond. FMCG is what we will be seeing. एक मिनट, मेटल है कि नहीं इसमें, आना चाहिए मेटल एन में आ जाए है. ओके, ऑटो के बाजू में मेटल है तो we'll see that also. Okay, so let's now go to FMCG. So FMCG has got some beatings this week and it is a bit downish. Okay, it has got some beating here also, but it is at 60 support on weekly. Okay, so it has got weekly 60 support, and there is a shooting star on monthly, but taking 60 support. मतलब ये ना वो चक दे इंडिया जैसा है. सी इट इज एट CIP ऑल्सो. ओके, ये लेफ्ट में मारेगी, राइट में मारेगी, हाई राउंड में सीधा जाएगी, ये वैसा सीन है. It is at 60 support. People are looking at shooting star, but it's a white candle right now in making, and the month is yet to be over. And it is at first CIP as well on the breakout. Okay, so we need to be watchful on this. Okay, see, this is the level where it is resting. Okay, so ये level के नीचे ना immediate support is there at 32,600. So we need to see, इसको बहुत सारा supports है यहाँ पे. इसके ऊपर में जब तक रहता है और 60 के ऊपर रहता है, this sector will have something. But I think few stocks on this sector which are not doing good. I think one of them is Britannia. I'm not liking the way it is moving nowadays. उसको मैंने देखना भी छोड़ दिया है. So FMCG again has got resistance at this level of 35,000. Okay, and it's at a trend line support so far on the shorter side. But if you look at this, it is broken the trend line and it has been resisting that. That is the reason why it is resisting at 35,000. Okay, so ये सेक्टर थोड़ा बुरा दिख रहा है. ओके, एक मिनट, एक गलत यहाँ पे चला गया. So this has got weekly at 60 support, monthly at 60 support, and daily it's coming towards 40. So I am expecting this to fall again tomorrow. Okay, so अच्छा हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर से हमारा शॉर्ट आउट हो गया. So now we'll have to see, because Hindustan Unilever also has got an NRD setup which is confirmed. So we'll now have to see what to do on that as well. So let's see, because ये थोड़ा नीचे आने का chances है. So FMCG, okay, analysis. So let's go here. FMCG daily doji at 60 resistance. So we now have this as a fall. Okay, daily coming towards 40, weekly 6 bar bearish divergence sector. तो ठीक है, weekly at 60 support. Okay, monthly band of about 69. Monthly about 60. That's it. Okay, so let's see what it does because इसका stocks में थोड़ा NRD setups भी है. So we'll have to see whether we can go short on this. Yeah, we will go on HUL. ACC is not part of FMCG by the way, cementing stock. Okay, so now let's see pharma. Pharma में भी थोड़ा बहुत dicier है because see it is resisting at this level out here and it is not for the first time. See if you look at this resistance, resistance, doji at resistance, and again a bearish engulfing at resistance. So this has got some resistance at this level, and this has got some meaning. Okay, this was above 60 when it was resisted. This was again around 60 when it was resisted, and this is also around 60. So in a way, it is price resistance along with 60 RSI on daily. So this is one sector which again has got daily below 60 and resisting that same level again and again. Okay, weekly. ये बड़े निकल यहाँ से क्या है? Oh, this is little interesting. Okay, it is trying to take the first 60 support after a breakdown, or it is still coming as see. This can be treated on both the sides. Okay, this can be considered as first bearish range shift, or if it bounces from here, it can be 60 support taken. Okay, so this is on either side. So pharma is vulnerable. We'll have to see the stocks. Okay, and let's see monthly. Monthly is about 60. वो तो टाइम पास ही है. इसमें कोई टेंशन नहीं है फिलहाल. Okay, so this is looking good. So let's write down on pharma daily approaching 60 and see resisting it. Okay, and also price resistance. ये दोनों बराबर है. So approaching की जगह we'll now write a new word, resisting. Okay, daily resisting 16 also at price resistance, weekly, monthly bullish. But now weekly is little bit not bullish to me because it is at it's a bearish counter attack now by the way. So weekly bearish counter attack, okay, at either 60 support or bearish range shift. तो धोनी का डायलॉग मारना पड़ेगा, मैचों के बाद पता चल ही जाएगा क्या करेगा. Support bearish range shift which form in coming week. Okay. So okay. So again, ये थोड़ा मेरा गड़बड़ होता है टाइपिंग का, प्लीज इग्नोर. मैं कहीं पे कैपिटल लिख देता हूँ, कहीं पे फिर वो छोटा हो जाता है. ठीक है. सो नाउ लेट्स सी ऑटो एंड मेटल तो बचा है, फटाफट वो देख लेते हैं. ओके, सो ऑटो पहले है, उसके बाद मेटल है. सी ऑटो हैज आल्सो गॉट वीकली, सी देयर इज अ बेरिश डाइवर्जेंस. Okay, and auto is still had a resistance out here. See, 11,100. So this is resisting. This is the resistance. This is the resistance. This is the resistance, and we have a doji at resistance. Okay, so might be some fall expected. Okay, so again we are having similar things. See, this is again at gap support and everything. Daily is approaching 60. Okay, monthly is looking good. Band walk above 60, मतलब सब ठीक ठाक. खाली इधर का हाई पे 11,100 it is resisting. But the only part where we are bearish is again weekly. Okay, so weekly has got a bearish divergence. बाकी और किधर नहीं है. Okay, so I'm going to remove all the lines. Okay, so looks clearly here we are having some struggle, and this struggle is also again related to the same thing. See, movement above this and above this, so we need to wait what it does now. Okay, so this is again one way of a flag. अच्छा वो actually किसी ने flag डाला है वो फ्लैग गलत है। वो फ्लैग के लिए यू नीड ये इधर का कैंडल्स कम होना चाहिए। वो फ्लैग नहीं, वो पैलेट बोलना है तो पैलेट बोलो। बट आई थिंक दिस इज नॉट अ फ्लैग। आई थिंक दिस इज समवन हैज सेंड दिस, सन्नत ने ये डाला है रिलायंस का फ्लैग। ये रिलायंस का फ्लैग ब्लैग नहीं है, इतना बड़ा कैंडल्स नहीं होना चाहिए फ्लैग में। और इतना बड़ा अरे कभी मिला है क्या किसी को? Okay, so you have to think of this. This is not a flag. It's a pallet, and it will go slow and steady. But Reliance, I'm actually avoiding because of Mukesh Ambani's health, or kuch nahi. So this is looking as a good flag because three candles and seven, eight candles here is fine because three multiplied by two plus one उतना कैंडल्स हो सकता है तुम्हारा फ्लैग का ये पार्ट में। ओके, सो थ्री आर द बार्स, number of candles multiplied by 2 as a multiplier plus 1. So 7 to 9 candles are allowed in a flag. You cannot have more candles in the mediocre इसमें। ओके, सी पोल हमेशा बड़ा रहना चाहिए। पोल बड़ा रहना चाहिए और फ्लैग के कपड़े बहुत कम होते हैं। और प्लस देयर इज ए कंडीशन ऑन वॉल्यूम जो रिलायंस सेटिस्फाई नहीं करता है। Okay, so Nifty Auto again we have got it as a diamond sector by the way, not diamond but as a golden sector we do have. Okay, so it's a golden sector, auto sector. Daily has M setup, but वो M अभी भी सी fulfill नहीं हो रहा है, अब तक नीचे नहीं आ रहा है and still it is above 60. Okay, so setup is still there but not working. And फिर मैंने क्या डाला था, bearish engulfing on Friday but can retrace to MA20 weekly is 3 बार, अभी ये 4 बार हो गया है। ओके, ये सब कंफर्मेशन के लिए रुका है। मंथली स्टिल बुलिश विद बैंड वॉक, तो everything remains same in this case. Okay, so that's why maybe sideways we can be considered, or we might see some action. Let's see. And this again metal index, I think जिसको देखना था, let's understand this. See, it is resisting at the previous top, so it's a double top right now. And oh, look at this. Okay, and look at this. So Dr. Vijay, now I think you should be able to understand why you are seeing fall in the metal index or the metal stocks. Okay, so it's got a good um, double top with bearish divergence. So you can expect some movement here on the downside as per the daily charts. Okay. Somewhere or the other, sectors are showing some tiredness, but the main index is still not. Okay, so ये थोड़ा उल्टा गंगा है। Okay, यहाँ पे भी see there is no bearish divergence because the close of this is higher than this, but we see a normal resistance at 3600 level. Okay, so that is where metal index has been stopped right now. Okay, so that is another level where it has been resisting. And let's see this. So this is just around 60 and trying to cross 60. Okay, अरे ये अगर 60 के ऊपर में बंद देता है ना, 64 के ऊपर में, look at this sector, multi-year breakout on RSI. Okay, this is a multi-year breakout on RSI. This sector will just zoom. ये यहाँ तक आने आने को कोई रोकने का नहीं इसको। Okay, so you will have to wait for monthly trend line resistance. So I don't see any because this is the trend and it is a breakout on a trend. Okay, so this is what it has gone, and I don't know. See, if you are trying this is the trend here. So there is no monthly trend line resistance here at all. It can be just a support line. Okay, so this is where you can say it's not a trend line then, it's a normal price resistance you can say. So there is no trend line resistance, but it's the same price level actually. So it's a horizontal line resistance that we have on monthly. But if this goes above 16 or ये धूम मचाने वाला है, तो sector wise also metal sector, just wait for this month to be over and let's see what it does, because this is really looking awesome. इसके ऊपर में निकल गया ना ये, तो तुरंत ये 4200 तक आएगा। उसको फिर बीच में एक ही रास्ता है जहाँ पे उसको अटकने का चांस है 3780। So 3600 के ऊपर 3800 है, 3800 के ऊपर में then this is 4000 and then it can reach this. So metal index is looking good in a way. Okay, so let's now start with the stocks. Okay, so today let's start with my favorite, which I've given up, Abundant Reliance. Because we saw some movement last week, and see this is again a bullish bearish counter attack at this, and see this is the gap resistance as well. ये थोड़ा gap पे भी अटक रहा है और दूसरा है उसको यहाँ पे resistance है. So we are at price resistance if you look at where we were stopped. Okay, so this is where Reliance has been getting stopped actually. See, this is the levels. False breakout and again a doji here. Hindenburg you can still buy in equity actually. So let's see what it does. But see, this is where Reliance has been resisted and it's see ये बहुत टाइम से sideways में है यार, बहुत परेशान किया है. And this is the reason why we pulled out of top bottom also. See, since November or December, November से ये October से mid of October से ये range में है. And this is because of the health news of Mukesh Ambani. Okay, and that is the only reason because see none of the kids are ready to take care of the big horse. Okay, again yes, it was a good buy if you are looking into some technicals. Bullish Harami at 40 support on weekly, and see it has bounced from price support. This was the price support. So 1850 is the level for it for support, and from there it has bounced. And see right now it is in this range. तो इसके ऊपर जाता नहीं है, 2100 के ऊपर जाता नहीं है, और 2100 के ऊपर में उसको यहाँ पे भी 2120 के आसपास में गेट रेजिस्टेंस है. तो ये क्रॉस करेगा then only think of buying it. Okay, otherwise don't think of buying it. And this cannot be considered as a flag. Okay, it's just a trend line right now which we need to cross above this. इतना बड़ा फ्लैग किसी ने नहीं बनाया रहेगा आज तक, तो ये गलत है वो जो भी बनाया हो. Okay, so this does not give you, and see it is at 60 support on monthly, and that is where it is again looking good at 1850. So ये स्टॉक अगर 1850 के आसपास में आता है तो 25-30 रुपए का रिस्क लेके you can buy it, keep it and see if bounces you keep it, otherwise move it out. Okay, नहीं स्क्वीज भी कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें. ये कौन सा स्क्वीज, बहुत दूर का स्क्वीज है, इतना स्क्वीज थोड़ी होता है. सी स्क्वीज किसको बोलते हैं, इसको स्क्वीज बोलते हैं. दिस इज अ स्क्वीज, दिस इज अ बिग, अभी भी बहुत दूर है ये. ओके, सो वन इज Reliance. Then let's start with Tata Steel because we talked about it. See, Tata Steel also has got a shooting star on weekly at price resistance. See, that is where it is. Yes, all-time high previous, not previous all-time high, but I think this is where it is 750 के आसपास में. And monthly shows 460 support. So metal stocks, I'm still bullish on them because you can see this. ये metal industry को भी करना है. See, after a long time breakout on 60 and taking first 60 support here, this is really looking good. Okay, so I think Tata Steel is still a good hold. Above 750, it will show you its previous highs also. This levels are still possible in this. The only thing is it is right now broken 60 on daily and it has fallen back. The only reason again, or you can cite is this is where it is going down.
सर इसके मंथली में 2014 का देखिए.
हाँ,
सिमिलर कैंडल, उसके बाद पूरा गिर गया.
So then this is nothing but see it was above this and it resisted 60 and it fall from here. So इसके बाद ये गिरना चालू किया है ना इसने. So it is nothing but resistance of upper band and 60 both. So see the RSI has never crossed. उसका highest RSI was around 62, 64. and see it never crossed the high of this particular candle, which was 540 550. वो तो क्रॉस ही नहीं किया था, तो प्राइस रेजिस्टेंस भी था उसको, and that price resistance was along with everything. See, if you draw a line in the past, this support broken turn to resistance at first CIP, तो फिर गिरने का क्या कुछ रीजन नहीं चाहिए और see it resisted at the first CIP after breakdown. This is the first time it came till this level and then it fall. और fall कहाँ तक आया, यहाँ तक आया, so it was full 100% fall back, so double bottom बना के वापस उसके ऊपर गया वो, and this time तो it see टाटा का हर चीज में ये था, if you would have observed it, even this and see this, even Tata Motors is the same, W setup था और ये W का first level and then the second level was this, so that's why I think many of them who are carrying it out in equity, मैं बोला था पकड़ के रखो, and see this is where it has got second target of W has been achieved. So first target and second target both have been achieved. 715 was the target, final target. Even Tata Motors is the same. Tata Motors का 280 पे the second target has been completed. And now it is beyond it. So even this can go beyond. So ये तो must fall था because it resisted the thing here. It resisted and then it fell below. See, even there was a 60 को क्रॉस करने का भी ट्राई किया, बेरिश रेन शिफ्ट भी बना के फिर नीचे और गिरा है वो, तो उसने चांस दिया था शॉर्ट करने का वो 2014 में तो. So currently I don't see any trade on this. Yes, the short would have been triggered below 700, but now we are already 17 points away. So I would not take a risk of this again because there can be some sideways movement before, and mainly the monthly is looking strong. So now that short does not come into existence, क्योंकि इसका लॉट साइज बड़ा है तो हम इस पे ट्रेड नहीं ले सकते. The risk will be around 20,000 to 25,000. We don't want that much risk to be taken. Okay, then I think Jindal Steel, since we're talking about metals, again, this is at first 60 support on daily. So let's see what it does. Shooting star at 60 and also some bearish divergence. So again, we'll have to see tomorrow what it does and see monthly band walk started. See this. So ये भी अभी ब्रेकआउट पे है, whether it resists this or not we don't know. So 296 के ऊपर में एक ब्रेकआउट है इसको. Second target that now you should be looking is around 350. So this is also looking good. And see this has done this type of work पहले भी. So let's wait and watch ये क्या करता है ये इंडेक्स, क्योंकि metal index was looking okay to us on the high time frames, and that is where it is. See, हर एक स्टॉक में ये देखो ये पैटर्न बन के बैठा है, and every stock has got a monthly breakout. Okay, I think रोहित ने जहाँ पे बोला कि इंफ्रा का हर स्टॉक में he is seeing resistance at 60 on monthly. See, ये हर स्टॉक जितना हम लोग ने दो स्टॉक देखा मेटल इंडस्ट्री का, they have got this. Let's see Hindalco also. Even Hindalco, look at Hindalco monthly यार, ये भी बहुत पागल हो गया लगता है ये 285 के ऊपर. सो दिस कैन बी, इफ यू आर बाइंग इट इन इक्विटी, बाय विद स्टॉप लॉस ऑफ 270. ओके, सो हाँ इंफ्रा का ही मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, इंफ्रा में था वो इश्यू. राइट, सो सी इवन दिस इज लुकिंग गुड. सो मेटल इंडस्ट्री आई डोंट थिंक सो देयर इज एनीथिंग bearish looking into any of the charts of any of these companies. इसमें भी there is a bearish divergence setup 71 और 68 दिखा रहा है, but again we'll need see confirmation. और इसमें वॉल्यूम भी है लास्ट कैंडल में, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि bearish divergence में वॉल्यूम नहीं है, इसमें वॉल्यूम भी है. और इधर भी देखो इसमें भी bearish divergence था, घेरा 3 कैंडल और तुरंत वापस बाउंस बैक है. See, here also there was a bearish divergence. So people who are thinking what I'm talking and are not aware of bearish divergence is 73 का RSI, 71 का RSI. So there is a 6 bar bearish divergence, and see then there is a fall. Now there is another 6 bar bearish divergence. We need to confirm whether it is getting it into it. और अभी भी ये 285 का सपोर्ट भी है इसको, right? So almost I think every stock, if you look in metal industry, अच्छा JSW Steel थोड़ा bearish दिख रहा है. Okay, it has got a shooting star, daily resisting 60, and but see again, अरे ये देखो ऑल टाइम हाई को छू के वापस आ रहा है. तो ये सब थोड़ा बहुत तो ऑल टाइम हाई का भी रहेगा ना. सी ऑल टाइम हाई बहुत टाइम के पहले था, 2018 में था. ओके, तो जितने लोग ने यहाँ पे खरीदा रहेगा वो सब फंसे पड़े हैं. और बहुत सारे लोग हैं दुनिया में जो लॉस में खड़े रहते हैं, तो उनको जब वो प्राइस के आसपास में दिखता है ना, बेचो. दैट इज वाई दिस एक्ट्स एज रेजिस्टेंस. ओके, so that is the reason why you are seeing some resistance at this levels on this stock. और ये देखो, मैंने जो हमेशा बोला है, बाय एट 40 मंथली. सी मंथली 40 से 179 का 400, how many times return do you get if you buy anything which is at 40 support, right? So that's where I think मेरा दो तीन जो बाइंग है, आई थिंक हिंद कॉपर इज अबाउ 60. बाकी एक स्टॉक है जिसका मंथली इज एट 40 support, and that's why I recommended that as a buy. MFSL, I don't know how many of you are holding, because stock ideas, I think I given it on 28th of December, and it has now gone. Acha, Vijay has it, and I know Saraf sir has bought it as well.
कमल कौन सा स्टॉक था मेटल में, दूसरा वाला?
मेटल में दूसरा वाला मैंने कौन सा बोला? मैंने हिंडाल्को बोला. JSW स्टील मेरे को अच्छा इतना नहीं दिख रहा है, बट आई थिंक हिंडाल्को इज लुकिंग गुड. एंड मैंने हिंद
अच्छा,
कॉपर बोला था, हिंद कॉपर इज लुकिंग गुड. दैट इज ऑलरेडी अ बाय
ओके,
एट 60 मैंने बोला था. अभी मेरे ख्याल से 74 के आसपास में चल रहा है. सो
करेक्ट करेक्ट करेक्ट,
सो हिंद कॉपर इज आल्सो लुकिंग स्टिल गुड.
या
I think you are holding, Manish. You may be.
आई एम होल्डिंग हिंदुस्तान कॉपर, या
So because I know stock ideas, I know you are buying even equities, so you would be
या
happy.
या
Right, so now let's see other stocks. Let's go to auto. मारुति क्या बोलता है यार, इसने बहुत रुलाया है यार अपने को टॉप बॉटम में. बेशरम है साला. See daily it has gone sideways ना, इसके लिए अपने को ये मार दे रहा है, बहुत मार दे रहा है. अभी let's see it is not breaking this, ना ही ये ऊपर जा रहा है. तो ये रेंज में ना, अभी मैं सोच रहा हूँ टॉप बॉटम में 2% ही ऐड कर देना चाहिए. इसने 60,000 दिया फॉल में और राइज में, उसके बाद सब लेके जा रहा है ये. Now see it is also resisting 60 on monthly, so this is somewhere I am now citing कि इसमें होना चाहिए. See monthly भी ये resistance at around 7,860. So now there is a chance that this may go down, Maruti. Okay, because we need to see ये क्या करता है ये level पे. So Maruti is not looking good. Tata Motors is looking good. Hold it for 600 as my target over a year time. Okay. मैंने I think I had recommended it a buy around 92 के साथ. I was saying get buy it because see Tata Motors also, let me show you why it was. मैंने Tata Steel तो दिखाया आप लोगों को. अभी क्या टाइम पास चल रहा है? See Tata Motors on monthly, it has similar bullish divergence and a breakout. So above this there was a buy. See above this there was a buy 97, 3 times खड़ा है आज ऊपर में. और इसका फर्स्ट टारगेट भी यहाँ तक का था, 150 160 का था. सेकंड टारगेट वाज 285 which has been done in this month, in fact previous month. Okay, so this is already done and dusted, and look at the RSI crossing 60 after multi-year. इतना साल के बाद उसने 60 क्रॉस किया, तो अभी नीचे नहीं आने वाला. And this is the volume of the latest month. Okay, so this it will not even come below this. So अगर आपका पास अगर समझो इसमें है, you are holding it on equity, hold with 250 as your stop loss. Acha, holding from 75, yes. So you should buy it and keep it. So it is something looking very very good. फ्यूचर्स, अच्छा हाँ नीलेश, हाँ तुम तो फ्यूचर्स वाले हो. हाँ, कैरी फॉरवर्ड करते जाओ और क्या. फ्यूचर्स के लिए आई कैन टेल यू, सी दिस इज द लेवल. इफ यू आर होल्डिंग इट, होल्ड until it breaks 60, or you can hold with 312 as your stop loss. Okay, so this can be your trailing stop loss because I don't if I recollect 270 के आसपास में आपका buy है. Yes, right. हाँ.
कमल नवीन here.
Yeah, Naveen.
For fresh equity entry क्या होगा टाटा मोटर में?
Now wait for it. If it comes around say 60 and bounces, no Naveen, तभी entry लो. Okay, 60 पे आके bounce आता है ना, तभी entry ले लो फिर. Okay, बाकी see if it crosses 340 or 350 above the highs, buy it. Okay, because right now see it is showing some bearish signals here. So इसके लिए मैंने उनको 312 का ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस उसी के लिए बोला है. Okay, because थोड़ा वो नीचे आके फिर बाउंस बैक करेगा because see monthly RSI is around 16, वो कोई टेंशन नहीं है, बट ये 80 पहुंच गया है, वीकली इज एट 80, तो थोड़ा ना don't add one more lot right now, Nilesh, because let it retrace, it will retrace as well. It's not going to go one sided to 600. Okay, so wait for it. See अगर 350 क्रॉस करता है तो आप एक लॉट ऐड करो, above 350 you can add, not right now. Okay, so wait for it. Okay, so Tata Motors we saw, then let's see यार, अब तक एक ट्रेड नहीं मिला है हम लोग को by the way. Let's see MRF क्या कर रहा है. अरे बाप रे, see MRF has formed a big doji now, ये एंट्री तो मुश्किल है. Okay, so this is again a doji at 60 resistance. Okay, so now finally we can get one particular thing, but ये अरे यार, see this is a get gap support. मैं एक्चुअली शॉर्ट का सोच रहा था ट्रेड, लेकिन ये 88,000 के नीचे ही हम लोग शॉर्ट कर सकते हैं, उसके पहले शॉर्ट भी नहीं आ सकता है. बट फिर we'll have to wait and see. Below 88,000 if you short, you will get it till 84,700, 84,800. So 33,000 का एक ट्रेड है इधर with a very small stop loss of maybe let's see 1500 पॉइंट का stop loss है और नीचे में अराउंड 4000 पॉइंट है. So we'll see only if it close the gap and it is going down, at that time we'll give you a short trade. Okay, अभी नहीं है MRF में भी. हमारा बजाज, let's see that. अरे क्या स्पेलिंग गड़बड़ करता रहता है बेटा. Okay, हमारा बजाज at all-time high and it is also taking some breather now. Okay, so it's looking okay to me. Oh, aha, 3 bar PRD setup है भाई. See 79, 77. So that is a 3 bar PRD setup. And it closes 4151, मतलब 120 rupees, 120 rupees above the high. Oh, 4500 का टारगेट है इसका. And buy is above 4241. Okay, and shooting star type of candle on monthly. अरे तारीख तो बली है, दिख रहा है, confirm कर इसके नहीं करे. But let's have this as the first stock today. Bajaj Auto looks good. मेरे ख्याल से ये सराफ सर ने देखा रहेगा, and that is the reason why he wanted me to see it. So buy above. ये क्या है, अपने आप आ जाता है कुछ भी. मैंने क्या किया, buy above 4245. किधर गया ये 4245, किधर गया. अच्छा सॉरी, नाम लॉक है मेरा इसके लिए. 4245, target is 45. So 100 points risk versus almost 250 points reward. I don't think so it's bad trade. Okay, weekly PRD setup. That is where it is, and that's why you buy it once PRD confirms about this. Okay, so almost 100 points per में ही PRD confirm होता है. Okay, so Bajaj Auto is looking good.
Kamal, this is in futures, right? Not in equity.
Yeah, this is in future. Equity भी कर सकते हो, but equity कितना खरीदोगे यार. 10 खरीदोगे तो 40,000 हो जाएगा, 20 खरीदोगे तो 20 में क्या मिलेगा, 300 रुपये, 250 रुपये मिलेगा, फिर भी ठीक है, 5,000 का तो प्रॉफिट हो जाएगा. Okay, so that is what it is. Okay, so Bajaj Auto. Then let's see, Hero Moto is looking good nowadays. Okay, but OBC price resistance or 60 support. Okay, so it has also got 60 support on this, crossing 60 on weekly, but resisting upper band. And see, it is also at पर पता नहीं, ये मेरा फेवरेट शॉर्ट कैंडिडेट रहता था. ओके, बट सी a change now that this particular stock has done is it is now gone above 60. हाँ, मंथली देखना किधर है, अरे मंथली भी 60 के ऊपर. सी इट वाज रेजिस्टिंग 60 फॉर सो मेनी मंथ्स, so many time it was at 60 resistance, and now it is breaking up, but we'll have to see what it does now. So 35.20. It's a 70 and a 90 points this thing, and how much do you get? Okay, if you short it at 34.30, you get around 100 points. Janega. 1:1 a year. Okay, so Hero Motocorp we don't see. Escorts, let's see now. Escorts again, see, it's a wonderful setup on daily. See, daily and monthly showing a buy, weekly showing a shooting star. Okay, so again, this is a thing, but I think if it goes above 1450, it is a buy with a stop loss around 1415, so 35 points, or maybe 30 points. And the first target that you can expect, because there is also PRD setup here. Okay, there is a 3 bar PRD or 4 bar PRD even here, which can go above this. So 1500 can be the target for this. So 50 points versus 30 points. Escorts high above. Five, target 1500. Okay. So this is one more trade that we got in the auto industry. Let's go now to cementing and the reality. Reality तो नहीं है ये, infra part में. This is resisting 60, but ये already बड़ा line है, जाने दो. ये अपना last week का short trade था जो अब तक trigger नहीं हुआ था. And now see it is crossing, जाने दो. See, it's resisting 60 overall, and that's why I was looking for it. Okay, so now let's see. So this is looking okay. ACC Ultra Cam अटक जाता है यहाँ पे भी. Ultra, see Ultra Tech at 6400. See, this was the reason for the buy. Monthly bullish harami. Okay, and that's why my first target was this 4000. फिर वो चालू हुआ ऊपर जाने का तो 4600 कर दिया था, because this was then the resistance. Then was this, and I think we had a call and which hit a stop loss. उसके बाद 2 दिन में टारगेट भी मार दिया था उसने. So this is that thing. See, this is equal to what Nifty has been doing. इसका monthly chart और Nifty का chart same है. And see, this is just above 60 after multiple year. इसके लिए ये भी अच्छा चल रहा है. And that's why I keep saying that these are the things which you should be seeing. Whichever stock, see, from 40 support, crossing of 60, and now above 60. So Ultratech is, that's why, looking good and following a good things also. And no bearish, see, इसमें weekly में bearish divergence से कुछ भी नहीं दिखेगा. And see, it is still forming a good pattern out here. So again, it's looking good, but the only thing is इसका margin बहुत बड़ा है. हाँ नहीं हुआ है, that is where it is resisting, so that's why ACC is not working that much. इसके लिए ACC अटका पड़ा है. आई थिंक श्री सीमेंट है ऐसा कुछ मेरे को याद है, सराफ सर ने बोला था. So ये भी अच्छा दिख रहा है, and this is also having support around this level 27,600. Monthly is looking good, weekly is looking good, everything is looking good. I think सराफ सर आपका यही था ना, श्री सीमेंट था, राइट? सन टीवी एंड ऑल विल सी, मीडिया वगैरह मैं ज़्यादा देखता नहीं हूँ, बट आई जस्ट लेट यू नो. सराफ सर ने मेरे को क्या क्या बोला था. आई थिंक हिज पार्ट वाज दिस, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. हाँ, श्री सीमेंट. सो श्री सीमेंट इज लुकिंग गुड. वी आर होल्डिंग इट, होल्ड विद 27,600 as your stop loss. This is looking good stuff now. So this is also looking good. Okay. So this is where we are. So cement we have seen auto sector, okay, and we have seen Reliance so far. Now let's go to Hind Unilever. Okay, that is another thing which we need to know. See, Hind Unilever has got एक minute, क्या है यार? हाँ, buy if you want to buy about that. Yes. See, this has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bar NRD setup. And now it is at first 40 support again. So I am holding myself to short it because though there is an NRD setup, I am at 40 support. Okay, so this is one reason. And NRD का target काफी बड़ा है इसका. अगर आप देखने जाओगे ना तो NRD का target is, if you go to see the closing of this is 2272 and this is I think 65. तो 7 रुपया है और इसका low
मोबाइल पर
2215 is the target on this. So 30 points from here is the target. Okay, but it also has first NRD के पहले bullish divergence है. इसके लिए I am avoiding this because if anyone has done simply indicators with us, one of the condition, okay, that we have to see for any of the NRD and PRD is it should not have any preceding divergence. And this is the meaning. I'm showing you the practical meaning of what that condition is. There should be no preceding divergence. This is a preceding divergence here. And that's why this NRD, I'm little bit watchful. It's one of the best NRD because बाकी सब condition fulfill होता है. Number of bars का, amplitude का, or even RSI का. But only thing is precedence divergence we are not checking it. Okay. Monthly still the candle is yet to be completed. So monthly you cannot take a call on the current candle. Okay. So वो तो तुम छोड़ दो. Monthly you cannot consider right now. See, candle complete नहीं हो उसके पहले तुम assume करोगे तो assumption is very bad thing to do in technicals. Okay, वो तुमको बड़ा मार मारेगा. ये अभी देखो price support पे भी है. So that's why I am still bullish on this, but we'll have to see what it does tomorrow. और bearish divergence वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं है. There is no bearish divergence here actually. Okay, so it is good because this is where the levels are and this is a higher. So last white और ये white के बीच में कुछ नहीं है, नहीं consider कर सकते. ये मेरे को ना बहुत अजीब गजीब स्टोरी लगा था. जब ये मार्केट 7,000 पे था ना तो ये 2600 पे था. मार्केट 15,000 पे आ गया, ये नीचे आ गया. पब्लिक को लगा खाली हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर चलेगा.
HUL.
Okay, so HUL right now I am not much thing, so we'll have to wait because it has got bullish divergence and a first 40 support now after the breakdown of this. So this can be the first bullish range shift. So let's wait. Okay, and I think we'll continue to buy now about 2293. जो हमारा पहले का buy था ना, जो मैंने ये bullish divergence के वजह से change किया था. Now we will buy only about 2293, and then it can continue to this level. 2375 can be the target. Okay, so lever looks that way. Asian Paint. वो अपने को जो लास्ट वीक में इसने पैसा दिया लेकिन अब कहाँ अटक गया वो देखना. अरे ये देखो डेली पे 20 MA पे भाई साहब अटक रहा है. See, it was a beautiful setup, bullish divergence. We bought about this, I think 2440 we bought, and I think we sold it around 2475 or 2480 के आसपास. I think Manish and all, they had good, they sold it around 2500. I think Vishesh made the best. Vishesh, तुमने कितने में बेचा था? 2520, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yeah, that's right, Kamal bhai. 2520.
अरे वाह, तो तुमने तो यार मस्त 80 पॉइंट्स बनाया है. पार्टी दो सबको. Right, so this is where it was. So it went till almost 2564 because अपना target was 2585. Okay, and it went almost to almost काफी ऊपर तक आया था ये. So now it is resting here. I would wait for the first 40 support. See, ये भी आ रहा है bullish divergence के bullish range shift के लिए, आने दो, फिर वापस बाय करेंगे. आई थिंक इट कैन बी ए बाय अबाउट द, ये डोजी के वहां पे आके सपोर्ट लेगा, तो वापस अपना ही बाय प्राइस पे मिलेगा ये. ओके, एंड सी वीकली इट इज रेजिस्टिंग 60. सी दिस इज द, ये दोनों जगह पे उल्टा है. वीकली पे फर्स्ट बेरिश रेंज शिफ्ट मारा इसने, इसके लिए अटक गया ये, नहीं तो अपना टारगेट ये आ जाता था. So weekly is resisting 60, so you'll have to now wait for it also. So ये भी एक अभी साइड पे डालो इसको भी. Okay, so now ब्रिटानिया मैरीगोल्ड, उसने क्या किया देखो, 40 के नीचे और 40 को रेजिस्ट कर रहा है ये. So and we do have a 3 bar bullish divergence. एक मिनट, 24. Okay, so we do have a trade on this 40 support. अरे और क्या चाहिए. सी वीकली एट 40, डेली डाइवर्जेंस, मंथली अराउंड प्राइस सपोर्ट. ओके, सो वी हैव अ बाय कॉल नाउ ऑन ब्रिटानिया इन एफएमसीजी. ब्रिटानिया बाय अबाउट 3470. See, I'm seeing this. I'm not drawing the trend line. ना बट वो उधर ही आएगा. 3466 है, इसके लिए 3470. ओके, ये सब मैं टाइम पास नहीं, बट फॉर पीपल हु हैव डन P2 and want to see, I think Nilesh, you've done just taken the course, right? So I'm showing you how do you actually confirm on bullish divergence. ये ट्रेंड लाइन ड्रॉ करना जरूरी है. उसका ब्रेकआउट देखो, इसके ऊपर में रहेगा. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई मैंने 3470 किया है बाय प्राइस. ओके, एंड फर्स्ट टारगेट शुड बी 3555 एंड मे बी 3603. सो 3600, सो वो एक आएगा. सो लेट्स गिव द टारगेट 3555. मशरूम फाइनेंस, मुथूट, आई नो, तुमने कल भी बोला था कौशिक भाई, आई विल लुक इनटू इट. बजाज और वो सब जब भी हम लोग फाइनेंस सेक्टर पे आएंगे तभी देख लूंगा. ओके, एंड इसका स्टॉप लॉस शुड बी 3435. Okay, so we keep around 45 points and this is looking good. Okay, so Britannia also has got, so we got 3 trades so far. Asian Paints last week का था, उसको इग्नोर मारो, देखो मतलब इसको, जो चला गया वो चला गया. Okay, so Britannia we saw, 3 sectors so far. Now let's go to IT, my favorite, my ex sector where I worked for 17 years. What it is showing? Oh, TCS is showing 60 resistance at this level, also price resistance. See, look at this. Okay, जहाँ पे बहुत सारी जगह पे, if you look at, gap is acting as support. See this. Over here, gap is acting as resistance. Okay, can you see this gap down? And see that gap is acting as a resistance, 3266. Okay, so that is where it is. Okay, so this is where it is acting as resistance. So gap resistance, we are at TCS. Okay, and so some resistance here, it's a doji high. Okay, gap at the top and bottom, yes. So now it tried to cross the doji high, but it failed. Okay, and again it came down. So now buy is only about 32.66, not above that, or not below that. Sorry. And this again is a band walk. So TCS is looking good on monthly, but ये अभी थोड़ा अटक रहा है. ओके सो इट इज राइट नाउ सी 20 MA को भी रेजिस्ट कर रहा है और गैप को भी रेजिस्ट कर रहा है. ओके सो अवॉइड दिस. लेट्स सी इन्फी. अरे इन्फी भी वैसा ही है, मतलब थोड़ा बहुत करेक्शन इज देयर फॉर दिस सेक्टर. हाँ, दिस इज स्टिल लुकिंग गुड. ओके सी ये सब का मंथली RSI 80 के आसपास पहुंच गया है, इसके लिए ये थोड़ा अभी नीचे आना चाहिए. मंथली RSI 80 मतलब बहुत हो गया. Okay, so this sector is looking little bit down. I know Tech Mahindra वो भी देखो 60 के नीचे ही है, ये सब वहाँ पे ही रेजिस्ट हो रहा है. So there is no trade right now in this. ट्रेड है but look at this. See, it's got a proper textbook island reversal है, और ये टारगेट है इसका 1086. But look at this, it has got a gap here. So until and unless this gap is closed, I will not buy this. See, it's a textbook island reversal. Okay, this doji with a gap down and a gap up with a similar thing. So जिन लोग को आइलैंड रिवर्सल नहीं पता, वो एक सोच लो 60 के सपोर्ट पे मॉर्निंग स्टार भी है. Okay, so this is where it is. Okay, so it's looking something like this to us. Okay, it's looking something good, but let's wait. ये क्या करेगा, क्योंकि इसके ऊपर में ही बाई है. ओके 1011 के ऊपर को क्लोज आया तभी बाई बनता है, उसके पहले बाई भी नहीं बनता है ये. And somewhere monthly is resisting upper band. So yes, buy above monthly upper band for a target of this for sure. ये आ जाएगा फिर. See again monthly 40 support has done the trick for this stock also. See multiple doji, और ये अब मैं जो बताता रहता हूँ TriStar doji. See this is a TriStar doji on the upside. V बना के फट करके ऊपर. Okay, so it's really looking good. Then I think someone said HCL. वो last देख लेते हैं इसमें. See again ये सब वही है. I would avoid this sector to buy right now. Okay, because it's right now not helping us. And see इसका भी RSI almost जब भी हाई रहेगा तभी 75, और ये हाई मारा रहेगा तभी 80 जाके आया है. So I would avoid this sector for now, but इसमें short trades भी नहीं है, because see this is at gap support and वही रेंज में घूम रहा है ये. So 40-60 करो और कुछ मत करो. Wipro again is same. So see I have shown you at least 4 to 5 examples. You can now check Wipro and see what it is. Send me what you have seen. Okay, see normally that is what I will tell to all the students. Okay, so send me your reading as well, because you need to work on that as well. Okay, Wipro, if I just see for the last thing, because then we have pharma and finance to go through as well. Exactly at 60 resistance and can be shorted right now. Okay, if it goes below 438. So ये सब short trades है अभी. Okay, and again this is same thing, but see monthly is strong. So 78.8. ये वापस see look at the RSI. Okay, so there is somewhere very bullish monthly, daily and weekly has gone sideways. Okay, ये भी RSI थोड़ा settle होने का try कर रहा है अभी, but daily is below 60 and resisting 60. Okay, so that is where it is buy only above 451 or 452, short below 437. So that is where it is, and that short will not be a long short, because 420 तक ही तुमको मिलेगा, ज़्यादा इसमें नीचे मिलेगा भी नहीं. Understand one thing, monthly is too much bullish. So इसको ज़्यादा swing trade को beyond ज़्यादा सोचो मत. And swing trade में आपको 2 to 4% is more than enough. Don't go more than that. ठीक है, now let's go to pharma. Let's go to my favorite in pharma, Mr. Reddy. Mr. Reddy gives us a buy call. It's at 40 support. Okay, it's come down, taken CIP on this. Looks good. What the यार सोचो. This is something nonsense. ये छोटू ऐसे कैंडल काउंटर अटैक बना के बैठ गया है ये, और काउंटर अटैक के हिसाब से वॉल्यूम भी कम है. You have to wait. You cannot buy this. But monthly is at 60 support, daily at 40 support. ले लो. So Dr. Reddy looks good. Again, people who have done P2 will understand this. Okay, so buy is above 48. 75. $50. I will keep some buffer. Okay, so 90 points is the risk, and almost 175 points is the gain. Okay, which is good. 1:2 risk reward. Okay. 4866. Yeah, 4866. So that's why I kept 4875. Okay, let it go beyond and then we will buy. Okay, so this is where it is. We got 4 stocks this week also on this. So this is looking good. Now Cipla, let us see. Cipla is little bit downish. Weekly it is okay, but weekly it has got an end setup. Okay, between this and this there is a bearish divergence and this. So Cipla looks to me as a short with 877 as the stop loss, but again, lot size is bigger, so I will not give you that trade. Okay. So again, this is where it is. Okay. So Cipla does not fit right now. It is a short, but I will not take that trade because almost the risk is 800 multiplied by 22 rupees, which is almost 18,000 risk. उतना बड़ा risk नहीं लेने वाला मैं. See, even this is coming down. First bearish range shape. See, this is what I'm talking about. तो ये भी लुपिन भी थोड़ा नीचे दिख रहा है. $50 points is your risk, and you might get it till 990. 60 points is what you might get on Lupin, and maybe low. If it breaks 20 MA, you might get it till 970, and maybe also 940, 950 gas plus. Okay, so this is also resisting 60 even on monthly with upper band resistance. Interesting. So even Lupin is looking a little bit on short side. Okay, so Valentine's Day gift, one more trade. Lupin, one, 46745. So this is going to be a very, very short trade on it. So maybe around 25 points risk and 35 points this thing. So it can be an intraday trade as well. Okay, so this looks to be more as on an intraday trade. Okay, and finally let's see, DSB 60 breakdown, and it is also looking bad. So Doji at 60 support, either side movement possible. If it breaks the high, go long, breaks the low, go short. and monthly again shows resistance on upper band. See, so monthly again shows the same thing, and again see the first bullish range shift, and it is just one unidirectional. Okay, so this is looking okay. And here also there is a price resistance around 3900. So be careful on this sector as well. Okay, so we've got one long and one short on that sector, by the way. Okay, so now let's see. Finance sector is remaining, so let's see HDFC Bank. Okay, HDFC Bank has got a beautiful setup, 60 support on it. So looks good. Okay, above 60 looks good. And also above 60 support taken, so looks good. So this is looking good. Okay, can be a buy above 1600 for a target of first target can be 1635 or maybe 1660 can be down the target on this. And your stop loss can be 1565. Okay, so looks good. I'm not keeping 1660, I will keep 1655. अपर बैंड है तो थोड़ा फर्स्ट टाइम पहुंचेगा तो रेजिस्ट करेगा ही करेगा. 35 points, so it's 1565. It looks good over here. 60 support and a bounce, and it can come to this, and this is possible. So this looks good. Let's see access. तुम्हारा वाला निरंजन क्या बोलता है? हाँ, ये भी 60 support पे ही है, and not showing any bearishness still. Okay. This is also see above this, so इसमें भी कुछ है नहीं. But ये बस खाली क्रॉस करना है इसको 775. Above 775 it shows 820. Same thing. 775, 820, 830 approaching. Okay, so this is looking good as well, and it's also around 60. So we need to see whether it resists 60 or it crosses 60 and with a breakout. Okay, so Axis looks good. ICICI, I'm already done the breakout above all-time high, similar to Bank Nifty. Okay, see this is what is a good stuff. छोड़ो अभी इसको, इसमें कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Okay, so it's looking good with this also. So ये तो buy है नहीं. Everything is quite above 60. So you cannot enter on a bullet train. अभी ये छुड़ी है जाने दो. Okay. Kotak. अरे Kotak is around 60. So let's wait and watch. ये क्या करता है? Bullish counter attack at 60 support. Bearish counter attack. Sorry. So need to see what it does. So Kotak I will avoid. इंड क्या बोलता है देख लेते एक बार फटाफट. 40 support and it is also doing good. Okay. हाँ ये भी 60 support पे ही है. So you can expect fireworks in Bank Nifty next week. मेरे हिसाब से ऊपर की साइड आना चाहिए अभी. So there has been a settle down on RSI on the banking sector, and now you can see where it goes. So we have seen this. Let's see SBI and बाप रे छोड़ दो, ये तो बड़ा गैप सपोर्ट गया रे बाबा, छोड़ दो इसको. सी इसको ट्रेड नहीं है, तुमको ट्रेड करना है, तुम्हारा स्टॉप लॉस ये है, रख पाओगे तो करो. 3000 क्वांटिटी है, आई वुड अवॉइड इट. बट सी दिस, इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल ब्रेकआउट विद द वॉल्यूम and above 60 after a long time again. Okay. Bajaj so ABC breakout above this, so this is looking good. Even this is looking good. ये भी अच्छा ही है. लेकिन एंट्री किसमें भी नहीं है तो है तुम्हारे पास, नहीं तो नहीं है तो भूल जाओ। ओके, और ये भी अभी there has been a bearish divergence but I don't see much. We need a confirmation below 5300, 5390 के नीचे। यहाँ पे भी है। Okay, so we might see if this is broken somewhere, वही 5390 के नीचे ही थोड़ा bearish दिख रहा है। एंड मंथली भी है लेकिन मंथली कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, सो वेट फॉर इट। ओके, this is also, so far it is looking bullish on all this time frame, but bearish divergence setup है। confirmation के लिए it needs to break this levels on weekly, तो बहुत नीचे है, 4888 के नीचे है, तो वो तो छोड़ दो। और इस तरह ये 5390 के नीचे है डेली पे दिस लेवल। ओके, तो इसके नीचे जाएगा तो कंफर्म करेगा, तो इट विल कम डाउन टू ऑलमोस्ट ये 5175 के आसपास। अगेन ये सब का मार्जिन बहुत बड़ा है, 3-3.5 लाख का मार्जिन है। ओके, सो दैट इज वेयर इट इज। सो अगेन दिस डज नॉट सूट अस। ओके, सो लेट्स सी। मुथूट किसी ने बोला था, मुथूट। ओके, सो फाइनली लेट्स सी मुथूट। हाँ, मुथूट भी डेली ब्रेकआउट है, लुक्स ओके। वीकली इट इज अराउंड 60 एंड रेजिस्टिंग इट, सो ये खाली देखना जरूरी है। And this is again something, so I would avoid this till it crosses 1350। 1350 के ऊपर में it might give you 50-60 rupees फटाक से, and maybe the upper band is 1425, so that is what you might get it into। Okay, so that is where we are। HDFC, खाली HDFC तो पता नहीं किधर रहेगा। Again, that has given a breakout about this, and C2 for 60 support. So if you are holding it, hold it. Okay, and also about this, it has gone, so it's looking good. 227, and it's a huge gap up on weekly. Huh? A gap up भी मारा है इसने, and it is around the same level, so 60 support and everything. So just see, it can be bought if you are holding it. Hold with 2715 as your stop loss. Okay. Okay, so I think there are few people who have dropped out, but I just want to repeat one thing. Since we are celebrating the 3rd anniversary of Swaycharts today, okay, the offer that we are going to give out to all the students, and which we will be also sending out in some time now, is going to be, there is going to be 3000 rupees discount for the 3rd anniversary on all the programs, and this will be on the videos. Okay, so basically simply advanced technicals, which is the candlesticks and detailed of which is actually priced at 5000 right now, will be available at 2000. Bank Nifty options training or the intraday training, which is at 6000 right now, would be available at 3000. And simply indicators and simply build house, which are right now at 17500 on the videos, would be available at 14500 on the videos. So all of them will have 3000 flat discount on all the trainings for next 3 days. So 14th, 15th and 16th are the days where for 3rd anniversary, 3 days, 3000 flat discount. Okay, so that is going to be for everyone. Okay, so you can spread it across your friends and family as well, who all are looking forward for it. Okay, so you can look into all of them. Okay, so let's see that, and we'll share with you the write-up as well in some time. Okay, and let's see Tata Chem. I think I'll see the last one before we close on, because someone just posted Tata Chem. Again, Tata Chem is at CIP, first CIP, Doji at CIP, so looks good to be bought above this. So 570 is the buy price. You can expect 590, and maybe 555 is the stop loss, because it's at 60 support. Monthly किधर है? Monthly, अरे बाप रे, monthly तो काफी ऊपर. Weekly is also quite up. Okay, so this is as per 2A. Okay, daily at 16, weekly and monthly above 60. So looks good to be bought because it's also CIP. Okay, so buy only about Doji's high for the target of some 20 points. And if it continues, you can hold with the stop loss of 577, which is the upper band. Yeah, we'll send the details to everyone. Okay, so thank you everyone, and let's meet again tomorrow. Yeah, Mahesh, we'll send the details. So I think you are part of Mahesh in Andhra. You are part of the live analysis group, the live session group, if I'm not wrong. We'll share the details. Don't worry. Okay. So thank you everyone.
Thank you, Kamal.
Yeah. Thanks, Mahesh. Thanks, Naveen and everyone.
Bye.
Bye.